Hi YouTubers. I'm preparing an Agarose potassium hydroxide gel electrolyte for my supercapacitor work, and it's agar, the carbohydrate, the polysaccharide, not agarose. There's a difference. The latter is seaweed, a composite. I have 2.5 grams of the agarose in approximately 100 milliliters of 6 molar potassium hydroxide. And I'm bringing it up to just about 100 degrees. It gradually is getting a golden color. And then at this point, I will pour it. I use a silicone rectangular tray, and I will pour that, and it will then form, as it cools down over a period of time, the desired gel electrolyte. So I'll be back in a minute. Once I hit 100 degrees, I'll give it a few minutes. Okay, I'm back. Now, I've noticed my cell phone is not picking it up, but it's actually a little darker yellow as you approach 100 degrees Celsius. And I will now prepare to pour this into the tray. So make sure you stir it well. Just put this thermometer down. I'm using a hot plate, and I will use paper towel to grab this. Okay. Thanks for bearing with me. And now I will pour this into the tray. I'm not going to doctor it. I'm just going to pour it out and let it form the gel. There it is. And I will also pour it into a plastic tray. That's what it looks like. Well, it's still hot. I'll grab it. I'll give you a reference for this too, so you know where I'm getting this from. And I'll pour that out and let it cool down and provide me with the gel that I want. Make sure you stir it well. Stir it very, very well. Here's one in the plastic tray. Now, what I will do in the future, when I make additional batches, I will doctor this to make a very thin film and measure the film thickness. This is preliminary work. Agarose is not that cheap, but if it has a valuable application in batteries and supercaps, and I just want to compare this to some of the PVA films that I make with KOH and additional electrolytes. I'll be adding some other electrolytes, such as a small amount of potassium ferrocyanide and some others from experience, and see if I can boost the conductivity. So we'll let that cool down, and with the 6 molar, I would think it might take about an hour or two. I'll provide you some data. It's a hastily contrived video, but it gives you the idea. Stir it well. 6 molar potassium hydroxide, 100 milliliters, with 2.5 grams of agarose, stirred very well up to 100 to 110 degrees, and then transfer it into a petri dish or silicone trays. Even I have these plastic weigh dishes. And when I do this again, I will be using a doctor to thin it out, and ultimately I'll use a type of device that's used with thin films. And I'll keep you posted on how this works. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.